The Air Conditioning Guys are a true Australian success story. This family-run business was born of skill, pride and commitment to the unique, even challenging Australian climate and the needs of their community in the Greater Sydney region. It's been over 15 years since the Air Conditioning Guys opened their doors, and today they've grown not only into 2 locations in Roselands and Canterbury, but their Roselands head office and warehouse now covers over 1,200 square metres. The Air Conditioning Guys set about to have the highest level of education, training and technical skill possible to ensure customer satisfaction, effective install and after-sales service, all designed to uphold the integrity of manufacturers' warranties and to keep you comfortable. This is one of the many reasons why they are now one of Australia's leading air conditioning companies, proudly servicing the Greater Sydney region. With years of experience and training, the Air Conditioning Guys offer a range of services, one being domestic air conditioning, including split, multi and ducted systems, with install featuring a single project manager from start to finish, strict quality control and impressive material suppliers. Our specialties range from single-storey homes, townhouses, double-storey homes and much more. Air Conditioning Guys also service high-density apartments, multi-storey apartment complexes, which includes VRVS, single-ducted, multi-split and single-split systems. They recently completed a 188 apartment install in Burwood and 252-unit commercial installation in Campbelltown efficiently and effectively. The Air Conditioning Guys commercial work involves rooftop package units for factories, aged care centres, restaurants, fit-outs and government contracts too. The Air Conditioning Guys also have the capabilities to provide mechanical ventilation and are experts in car park exhaust systems. It's no wonder the Air Conditioning Guys are authorised dealers and service agents for some of the world's leading brands such as Daikin, Fujitsu, Mitsubishi, Actron and so many more. Being an authorised dealer to some of the leading brands ensures your brand new unit is going to be installed by an authorised and trained tradesman, which avoids any future complications and after-sales service. Air Conditioning Guys are one of Sydney's largest Daikin dealers. Daikin are market leaders in residential ducted systems with the latest technology and innovations, a world leader in air conditioning. Air Conditioning Guys are also Mitsubishi dealers. Mitsubishi Air Conditioning specialise in VRP and commercial air conditioner systems, which are world leaders in reliability, quietness and energy efficiency. Other brands include Samsung, LG, Hitachi, Actron and much more. Responsibility and trust are 2 values that are at the core for the Air Conditioning Guys. That's why they are a fair trading licensed installer, hold an Arctic licence, are trained by the manufacturers on all of their units, have up-to-date workers' compensation for all workers and public liability. With the skill, training and experience to complete a wide variety of work, we think it's pretty clear that you can't just get any guys to install your air conditioning. You need the Air Conditioning Guys. Australian owned and trusted for over 15 years.